40,000 years ago, a wild coast at the edge of Europe. Somewhere along these cliffs live the last members of an entire human species, and they have no idea. What you're about to see is a reconstruction based on real science, the final days of the Neanderthals. They've been here for 400,000 years. They survived ice ages, they hunted mammoths, and almost everything you think you know about them is wrong. These aren't brutes with clubs. Look at this, tools made in dozens of careful steps. And then, I see them. Strong, broad, watching me, not afraid, curious. A woman, a child. This is the whole group, there are 8 of them. She has no words I understand, but I know exactly what she just said. And this little one is one of the last children of his kind. Their home, fire, hides, warmth, they've lived in these caves for generations. They make marks on the walls. Nobody knows what they mean, but they mean something. They bury their dead. They care for their injured. They grieve. They hunt together. They plan. They speak in a language lost forever. Sitting here, by their fire, one thing is obvious. These are people. And then, on the horizon, others. Not them, us. Homo sapiens. Taller. More of them. Far more. They arrive in numbers this group can't match. And the climate is turning against them too. They watch the fires in the distance. They don't understand what's coming. Every season there are fewer. 8 becomes 5, 5 becomes 3. And one day, on a coast like this, the last one closes their eyes. "400,000 years of a human species. Over." But here's the part almost nobody knows. They didn't vanish completely. They're still here. Right now, 1 to 4% of your DNA is theirs. You are part Neanderthal, and that ever ended by becoming us.